What's up, guys? I'm gonna quickly review the trade that we took tonight. So I just posted this trade not too long ago. I don't normally trade the London session, but we're trading London tonight. I saw a good opportunity and I wanted to capitalize on it going into Wednesday this week. So I'm just gonna break down this trade live for you guys. We're looking at Eurgbp. So we're gonna start on a 1 hour chart. So let me just clear these out just to make it easier for you guys. Okay, so obviously you can see my trade here. We're running in profit. I'm going to break it down for you guys now, what I was looking at. So as you can see, yesterday this market created a high around this level. So the first thing we're going to do is mark out yesterday's high and mark out yesterday's low. Okay, and then after that we're going to mark out today's high and we're going to mark out the previous day's low. Okay, the reason that I like to do that is because when I'm trading a market like this, that's kind of in a big range, fighting up and down, being very volatile, I'm looking for where the market's going to go to next, and there's a couple ways that I can do that, but this is a strategy that I've crafted and I've been using for quite some time, and I find it to be very successful. So pretty much what I was looking for as I was getting in the market around here, I was looking for a close below yesterday's low, because I knew once I get a close below yesterday's low that the market's going to target the previous day's lows. So I'm expecting a retest of the previous day's lows, which is also a demand area that I have on a bigger time frame. Now, that's not the only thing, guys. There's a few different confluences we want to look at before entering into a trade. So as you can see, I have an EMA on my chart, an exponential moving average. So I'll break down how that was useful for me, and what chart patterns I'm kind of looking for. So for example, one of the chart patterns that I did see here that was an added confluence for me was a head and shoulders pattern. Okay, so as you can see, here's the left shoulder, here's the head, okay, here's the right shoulder. Okay, honestly we could even use this high because this was the latest high before this high. So this is technically the last high, guys. Does that make sense? Before the move down, and then we made another high. So this is technically the last high. And then as you can see, we have the neckline right here. So I had this head and shoulders pattern right here, left shoulder, head, right shoulders, neckline. Here we had a break of the neckline, followed by a retest of the neckline, which gives me an extra confluence that the market's going to be moving down. And then after this retest, you can see we had a break of yesterday's lows. As soon as I got that break of yesterday's lows, guys, and a close underneath it, I took this sell trade. Once I took this sell trade, and I got this retest, I added to my position. So if we go down to a 15-minute, you can see where I added, it was right on the retest of the EMA. My EMA right on my 15-minute chart. So that gave me an extra confluence. I did close half of my position somewhere at this low. As you can see, guys, my position is open. I do have several positions open. I'm just showing you guys this for transparency purposes. I am taking these trades, guys. I am taking these trades live. Okay. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much a breakdown of today's trade. I just wanted to give you a recap, and a breakdown of pretty much what I'm looking for. I'm always talking about supply and demand, and we're always going over supply and demand zones. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit more insight of what kind of information and what kind of moves and patterns I'm looking for when I'm looking at the market, and how I'm using different confluences to gain confidence in my trades, you know. So I'm not really afraid of the pullbacks. I'm not afraid of the volatility, because I'm confident in where I see the market going once I have certain confluences. So that's it for tonight, guys. I just want to do a quick trade breakdown. We are live every Monday through Thursday, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. I'm mostly trading the New York session. Sometimes we do still trade the London session, but most of the guys in the VIP like to trade the New York session anyway. I like to trade the New York session. It's better for my schedule. But at the end of the day, man, we're here to take what the market gives us. So with that being said, I'm gonna wrap it up here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. But I hope that makes sense a little bit and gives you guys some added information and added understanding to my approach.